Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to make your Spotify profile private. So let's get started. At first let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this setting icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down to privacy. Let's search for privacy. So here it is. Now in followers and following we need to turn this off. This won't show your follower and following list on your profile. And in private session we need to turn this on. So this will temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. And we need to turn off this recently played artist and turn on the private session and turn off this listening activity. So this is it. After doing this, your account is temporarily private. So this is how you can make your Spotify profile private. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.